If you're wondering if Poco F7 Pro does come with a charger, let's quickly find out. Right here inside of this box, as we open this one up, we can find another box with the accessories. Let me put this one aside and let's focus on this box. At the back we can find an opening of this box, and as we open this one up we can find the charging cable right here. We can also find the warranty card, start guide and safety information. And also we can find this protective case, but there is nothing more in this box inside. We cannot find the charging adapter right here, so this means that there is no charging adapter. We can also, if you want to actually find the information about what charging adapter to use, we can find this information at the back of this box right here. Here we can find the information that there is actually no charging adapter included, and it is recommended to use from 10 to 90 watts charging adapter to charge this phone.